In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Ulefone Armor X smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Shut down. Shut down. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now, continue to hold down both of the buttons until you see a screen appear. You're going to see the screen light up, and as soon as you see the screen light up, immediately let go of both of the buttons. You have to do it very quickly. If you hold on to them for too long, after the screen appears, the phone just may reboot, and it's not going to hard reset. Okay. Okay, let go. Okay, now the next thing you need to do, using the volume up button, go to recovery. Now press the volume down button. Okay, now using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Factory Data Reset. Press the power button. Press the power button. There you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.